Hi, kumusta? I'm Raima Olarte, a project manager based in the Philippines.
What's your major?
I started working as an intern during the pandemic and worked my way up, now leading key business systems used across global teams.
How long have you been working with global clients?
I've worked with global teams for nearly 2 years, particularly in Europe and APAC, driving operational improvements across sales, service delivery, and client success.
What's your job and how can you describe it to someone you just met?
I'm a project manager, which means I turn business needs into structured, scalable solutions. I lead multi-team execution and make sure we hit our goals on time and with purpose.
What is your greatest achievement in your current role?
Rolling out a new hire assessment system, which allowed us to respond faster to underperformance and improve service quality for our clients.
How do you bring value to your team?
I bring clarity and execution discipline. I simplify complexity, align teams, and turn strategy into systems that deliver measurable results. I help leadership scale ideas, and I make sure teams deliver.
What is your career aspirations?
I want to grow as a system-focused PM, leading tech-enabled, cross-border projects that scale with business growth.
What's your why?
I love building things that work. Helping teams transform abstract ideas into systems that solve real problems is where I thrive.